Guys, today we're fishing in Lyell. We've just started off trawling and we're hoping to get a few trout, redfin, anything like that. We should get something good soon, so let's get into it. Alright guys, just trawling right now.
Weird how it goes dead still.
Guys, there's a monster storm rolling in and it's already raining, so this is not good. So we're going to go back to trawling and I'll only get the camera out if we hook anything, because otherwise my camera will get soaked. Alright guys, little trout in the very wet weather, little rainbow.
Just had a massive shot of lightning.
Monster
Almost
shot of
killed us.
lightning. Alright.
Send your drag up. You want that?
No, I should be alright.
You sure?
These look pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. There we go. Yeah. That's a fish. Jesus, your rod's gonna high tip.
Oh, lucky.
He just came off.
You're lucky. No, you didn't pick him up.
Here guys, good fish.
Nice.
Nice
In the
little
trawl.
trout.
In the lightning, in the thunder.
Right, let's get him back in the water.
Good release.